It's lit.
That was exciting.
I'm not happy that worked.
I'm glad to see you here.
I'm not happy.
Wow, that's garbage.
Not a single one jetted.
Nope.
What the fuck?
Sorry.
If you let things rest a little bit.
I guess. That was the worst green I've ever seen.
I still see it. It's like it's still there. That's hilarious. These are junk. I'm going to throw them in a junk shell.
Damn it!
No bottom?
That was just a single break.
Oh, okay.
I put it in a fiberglass
trash.
gun, so I'm curious to see
What the?
if there's still a rack there. It had like baby lift under it.
Yeah.
Ned, whose was
That's
that?
hard stuff. Every one of them worked perfect.
Not a single one.
Wiley.
And you couldn't get them to work on the ground?
Yeah,
Wow.
I had like a handful of 6, and I put them in a mine, and 2 of them jetted. And I was like, that's a high failure rate. I'm upset. It got better.
What's in there?
That was a break, though, wasn't it?